Hi everybody, we're back again. Happy Halloween. Today I want to show you some idea of decorating your table for your Halloween dinner party. Hope you like the ideas and get some inspiration to decorate your own table from this. I love working with natural materials, as you possibly know from my YouTube channel. And I've taken that a little bit to the extreme. I've got some branches that I got from the forest, some natural moss, some apples, some beautiful candles and some flowers, and the whole theme is green and orange. First of all, I started with some branches that I found actually in the forest, and they're beautiful pine branches. They have a beautiful texture, and what I've done is just let them dry and give them a very light varnish, which brings up the beautiful color, the redness comes out, and if they are dry, they will last forever, and I will use them possibly later on my Christmas table as well. After that, I started with some natural moss. You can buy moss as dried moss, as artificial moss, but I prefer to use the natural moss. You can buy it from your local florist and just give it a little bit of a clean, shake off the pine needles from it and have it loose on your table. You do this first because it will create a little bit of dust, but once that's done, the rest of your decor is very clean. After that, I added on some glass vases, some beautiful green glass vases that actually I picked first from our shop because I wanted to put the flowers in it. But then I realized that my candles were fitting in so perfectly with them, and the light of the candles shines through them so really beautiful, that I decided, okay, they're not going to be my flower vases, they're going to be for my candles. Some apples from the organic apple market that I got this morning. Just to finish it off, so what to do with my flowers then? Well, you cut off the stems and you lie them loose on the table. And I've chosen today to put my beautiful Nicholas moss pottery with this setting. As I said, I'm going for the natural look, the all green theme. I've gone for mostly the green long Nicholas moss with some of the multicolored underneath it. It's a very earthy, it's very Irish, it's a beautiful pottery, and I think it'll work very well with the natural look. Finishing off, I've decorated inside the table with some edible flowers from the garden, the orange nasturtium flower, the leaf of the nasturtium, and some of the green chives.
I had no idea. Oh yeah, it tastes like onions. Oh.
Every time I walk by, I pick some. liked our video. I'm looking forward to my dinner tonight, that thankfully I've dressed the table so it's not my task to cook. If you liked our video, subscribe and like our video and come back to our YouTube channel. And I better get ready because my guests will be here in an hour and I better get dressed. Happy Halloween!
Anchor.